Use an angle finder to ensure the corner and platform form a 90 degrees angle. Measure the length and width.
Confirm subfloor is clean, dry, and solid.
Mark the base position and determine the drain location.
Cut a 10x10 opening at marked drain location. Clearance around pipe 2 to 5 inches for adjustment.
To achieve better waterproofing, I recommend it to lay a layer of waterproofing material before applying the board.
Disassemble the drain. Installation sequence diagram.
Apply plumber Hans putty evenly around the drain opening on the top side of the shower base.
Wipe off excess putty powder.
Install the lower part of the drain assembly onto the base. Apply a layer of thin set mortar or construction adhesive to the area where the shower base will sit. Use the level to check that the 4 sides of the shower base are level. Secure the base of the wall frame.
Apply weight to level any uneven areas, set for a minimum of 4 hours.
Check the level. Cut the drain pipe so it is flush with the top of the rubber gasket using an inside pipe cutting tool, cutting depth 1 1/8 inch.
Lubricate the inside of the rubber gasket with plumber's sag grease. Slide the gasket onto the drain pipe, beveled edge facing down.
Press firmly to fully set the gasket and secure the drain connector.
Test whether the drainage is smooth.
Allow your shower base to secure for at least 24
Cover
hours.
with magnetic cover plate.
Cover shower base during wall finishing to prevent scratching. Important, remove the transparent protective film from the base before you